Fixing your water heater yourself can save you serious cash, and honestly, a lot of those repairs are way easier than you think if you've got the right tools and a bit of patience. So here's the deal. Start by checking the manufacturer's warranty before you touch anything. That could save you big bucks if they cover the part or the whole unit. If you're good with tools, swapping out parts like the pressure temperature valve, thermocouple, heating elements, or even the anode rod is something you can handle without breaking a sweat. Make sure to turn off the power or gas before you start messing around. Safety first, right? When replacing a heating element, drain the tank partially to avoid a big mess, and don't forget to test for leaks after you're done. If it's a gas water heater, cleaning or replacing the thermocouple can fix startup issues pretty quickly. For minor leaks around fittings, tightening or replacing a gasket usually does the trick. And about patching tanks? Honestly, welding or patching a leaking tank is just a temporary fix and not worth the hassle. Better to call it quits and replace the whole thing. Lastly, YouTube is your best friend for step-by-step guides. Watching someone else do it first can save tons of headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make when working on water heaters is ignoring the warranty and diving straight into repairs. This can end up costing way more if you void it. Another common problem is not shutting off power or gas properly, which leads to dangerous situations or damaged parts. Always double check before starting. Lastly, trying to patch a rusted out tank leak is a no-go. These leaks usually happen at the bottom seam, and fixing them is super tough and not cost-effective. Instead of wasting time and money on patches, it's smarter to replace the entire unit. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. It connects you with pros who know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it helps you get in front of people who actually need your services. Win-win for everyone.